Inside here we have our saloon. This is where we have our camera room, our charging, our library, our TV for entertainment. Come on inside. Our big screen TV for watching movies and doing presentations. Our small retail area and our small library. Just back here we have our galley. Let's go inside. Shall we go up to the bridge? Just follow me this way. This is our bridge just upstairs here. And this is the pilot house. Come on inside. So just inside our bridge here, I'd like to introduce the captain of the vessel.
Hello.
He's the master in charge. He looks at everything. And on the helm here we have Paolo. He's our bosun's mate. You can see that we have the old wheel from 1970s when it was a sailing vessel, still here. Old compass with all modern equipment set out here for navigation. Right now we're on our way to Apo Reef and our traveling time is 14 to 15 hours. We'll be there about 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. This is a Coron over here, Apo Reef over here. We're coming down from the north direction, stopping here tomorrow, and next day into Culion down here. Our first stop is Apo Reef, which is the second largest barrier reef in the world. It has great diving. Also, we can spend some time on land on the beach there. It's a nice place to spend the day. Whole activities there. Beach, kayak, snorkeling and diving. All enjoyable at Apo Reef. The day after Apo, we'll cruise down south and go to Culion. Culion is known for its history of being a leper colony in the Philippines. Been a leper colony for over 100 years. We'll be in the Coron area to Apo Reef for the next couple of days, hitting areas Calumbuyan, Calumbuyan Lake for snorkeling, Siete Pecados. Come this way and I'll show you one of our guest rooms. This is our upper deck, where we have 4 passenger rooms. We have rooms with 2 single beds and rooms with queen and double size beds. 20 rooms in total. Capacity for divers is 32. For non-divers, we can take a capacity of 40 passengers. Just up this way, it'll take us to our dining area. And just up here, I want to show you our bar deck.
Hi, Nico. Hi. Are we looking for?
Party kami, ako na rin. Nasa tabi ko.